The publishing industry has gone through an enormous change. Consumers live in a world of immediacy. They are looking for the opportunity to access content on the go. One of the biggest challenges is being able to deliver content simultaneously across a number of different platforms. There's an enormous amount of content out there, so you have to link content and curation to particular audiences. What's happening in terms of the publishing supply chain, order sizes are getting smaller and they're getting more frequent. And publishers are going to have to respond to that to be able to maximize the sales opportunity of printed products in the future. My view is that publishers, to be successful in the future, will have to adapt their supply chains to an always available model. HP Piazza is set to change the world of publishing.